Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to show you the basic step with different timing. We are going to do on the beat, syncopating, and then very slow.
It sounds simple, but it's actually not. So let's get to work. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you're enjoying this, leave a like. That helps us very much to keep growing the channel.
Now let's go to the video. Muy bien, here we are at the dance floor, ready to show you this basic step but changing the timing.
Yes, so let us show you very quick on the beat. This is basically on the beat, and we are using cross system in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can take an extra step to start all over again.
So each step is on the beat. This is a very good exercise to control yourself, to not to go faster than the music. Let's do it this way. So follow us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to start all over again to the side. Now let's do the same move in syncopation. How we syncopate each move.
We're going to have different syncopations at the beginning, during the cruzada, and at the resolution. So we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow to start all over again. This is pretty much square. We are not doing any styling here, but you can start spicing up your dance with these syncopations.
Let's do it again with numbers so they can see how we count the syncopation on the basic step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's rotate so they can see it on the other side. Try to follow us and do it in syncopation. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8.
Good. So now we're going to show you much slower. We're going to take 2 beats in each step. Yeah. So basically what we are doing here is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. We can start 1, 2 and 3, 4.
This is very good exercise to develop control on the timing, on balance, body weight change, extension of the legs. And also, if you have a song, very slow song, use this exercise with the music. Use it when we have the violin, some very slow part of a song, or put the song which is from the beginning until the end, all is slow, and try to control, because going slower actually is harder than going faster for most of the people.
Yes, so for example, just to put an example, in order to practice this slow, choose Carlos Di Sarli music and walk like this all the time, just as an exercise. It's not mandatory, but as an exercise. If you want to dance on the beat, you can use Troilo. For example, Aníbal Troilo, dance all on the beat. And if you're going to syncopate, try to use Juan D'Arienzo, which is more rhythmic. That will give you another flavor.
Let's try one more time to show you the very slow version, because it's the most difficult. You have more control. Extend the legs. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and